College Traveller. So today I just want to do a quick comparison between the slim fit and the regular fit of the Wool & Prince button-down shirts. So as you can see in this shot here, I'm wearing the button-down light grey Oxford in a size extra small, and this is in the regular fit. And next to it here, this is the size small, but in the slim fit. So do let me know in the comments which of those two fits you think fits better. Just from trying them on, I feel like the extra small pulling a tiny bit in the waist, whereas the small in a slim does fit very well, but it is just a touch baggy overall for me personally. But I probably could get the size small tailored for a better fit, whereas it would be a bit more difficult to sort of expand the waist area on the extra small. So that's the Wool & Prince button-down light grey Oxford. So it's 100% merino wool, 130 GSM, and it's 18.5 micron, and it's made in Shanghai. It's a very nice shirt, so do let me know in the comments which of these two fits you think fits me better. And thank you very much for watching, and be sure to stay subscribed to keep up with future videos.